Good day, everyone. This is Sir Joven once again. We are still in our third quarter, week 6. We will be discussing about numbers and pattern. Our learning competencies are: first, formulates the rule in finding the next term in a sequence. Example given: 1, 3, 7, 15. Possible next term is 15 times 2 plus 1. Possible answers are times 2 plus 1 or plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. Second, uses different strategies like looking for a pattern, working backwards, etc. to solve for the unknown in a simple equations involving one or more operations on whole numbers and fractions. Example given: 3 times blank plus 1 equals 10. The unknown is solved by working backwards. Number pattern. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. This pattern generally establishes a common relationship between all numbers. Good day, everyone. This is Sir Joven once again. Another example we have 11, 17, 23, 29, 35, 41, 47, and 53. So in order to find the pattern, let's look at first if our sequence is increasing or decreasing. So as you can see, the sequence there is increasing. Now, identify the difference between the first term and the second term. So, from 11, how it become 17. So, by simply adding by 6. 17 to 23 added by 6. 23 to 29 added by 6. 29 to 35 added by 6. 35 to 41 added by 6. 41 to 47 added by 6. 47 to 53 added by 6. So we have there our solution. So in order to get the next term, we simply add 6 to the previous term. Example number 2, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Now identify, is our sequence increasing or decreasing? So as you can see there, our sequence is decreasing. Now identify the difference between the first term and the second term. So from 18, it becomes 15. So there's a difference of 3. 15 to 12, difference of 3. 12 to 9, difference of 3. 9 to 6, difference of 3. 6 to 3, difference is 3. So we have here our solution. In order to get the next term, we simply subtract 3 to the previous term. Some problems for the pattern can also involve a pattern of dots, where we need to find out the number and position of the dots in the pattern. For example, so we have here on the first term 1 dot, second term 2 dots, third term 3 dots. So what we are looking here is the number of dots in the fourth term. So looking at the pattern, we can get 4 dots. Next, for the first term, we have 2 dots. Second term, 4 dots. Third term, 6 dots. Fourth term, 4 dots. How about in the fifth term? So how many dots do you think are there in the fifth term? So in the fifth term, we have 10 dots. Another example. Mr. Reyes presented these number patterns to his math class. 1, 3, 7, 15, 31, and 63. So how are we going to first identify if our sequence is increasing or decreasing? So as you can see, the sequence there is increasing. What do you think is the rule or pattern used to find the second term, the third, the fourth, the fifth, and the sixth? So for the second term, we have 1 times 2, that's 2, plus 1 equals 3. Third term, we have 3 times 2, that's 6, plus 1 equals 7. Fourth term, we have 7 times 2 plus 1, that's 15. Fifth term, 15 times 2, that's 30, plus 1, it's 31. Sixth term, we have 31 times 2, that's 62, plus 1 equals 63. So we can have our solution as first, in order to get the next term, we need to multiply the previous term by 2, then add 1 to their products. Or simply adding 2 to the first term in order to get the second term, adding 4 to the second term in order to get the third term, adding 8 to the third term in order to get the fourth term, and so on. Fun fact: number patterns are not restricted to few types. They could be ascending, descending, multiples of a certain number, or series of even numbers, odd numbers, and etc. For your activities, A. Match the number sequence with its corresponding rule by connecting the dots. So on the left side, you are given there the number sequence. On the right side, you are given their patterns. B. Select the rule used for each sequence. Write the letter of the correct answer before the number. Then write the missing number. So before the number, you write the letter of the correct rule. Then on the right side, you write the missing number or the next term. That's all for today. Thank you so much for your time.